Hi guys, I received a comment on my profile from Jessie is Ballin 13. It says, okay, this question is the most confusing of all because I don't know how to explain it. In a video I saw a while back, I noticed that when the person was loading a page, the loading was in his address bar, not like near the taskbar. I don't know how to explain it, but if you do know what I'm talking about, please reply. It says, LOL, I forgot the question. Do you know any programs to do that? Please reply. Okay, thanks for your question, Jesse's boy. Yeah, I do know what you mean. What you're talking about is when you go to load a website, usually in something like Firefox, it comes up down here and it has a loading bar. But you want to be able to have it in your address bar. And so, yep, there are a couple of things you can use. And now the first one, I've actually installed both of them to show you. One is related to the actual website you're using, and one's related to tabs. Now, I'll start with the first one. If I just show you, I'm going to go on something like eBay. And I don't know if you noticed, I need something that's slow loading. Try and find one that's full of flash or something. You notice this it's going along in my taskbar, in my address bar. So this add-on was called Fission. All you have to do is just, I'll provide the link for it. Fission Firefox add-ons. Some themes might break with it installed apparently, but it works on mine, so you might want to try it on yours. So that is Fission, and it basically does what it says. I mean, I think it was designed for people who have Safari. I think it's just that colour, but it's fine for me. As to people who have Safari style Firefoxes, why the people would want to do that, I don't know. But so that's that, and there's another one which is called Tab Mix Plus. Now it's used for more than just showing little progress bars along the tabs. You can do other things like tile them and copy them and things like that. All things you can do with tabs, protect them and lock them. But if I get load something now, you'll notice that both the taskbar, the status bar, and the tab thing loads. You see that? I don't know, it's pretty quick. But so you now have status bars in both the address bar and in the tabs, so you can have more than one. Now, I don't know how this will work in Explorer. I don't think you can do it. There might be some program somewhere that you can do it, and I know that Opera kind of does the same thing anyway. I think it loads it here and it's just something like documents, images and something else, and it loads it up at the top, or you can configure it to do it. But for Firefox it's Fission and Tab Mix Plus if you want to have loading bars up the top and not have to worry about it being down here. So that's a quick video answering Jessie is Ballin 13's questions, so thanks for your question. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.